ॐ चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाश्रयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Samyangmati Prakaranam, we saw that there is one Maya Bijam divided into three in the form of Jagrat Swapna Shushupti Avastha, Tadabhimani at Vyashti level as Vishwataijasa Prajna, and Samashti level Vaishwanara, Hiranyagarbha, and Ishvara. And Atma Mayavi is Avikara. This now he explains further. Shloka number 28. Uktameva drashtanta darshtantika rupam prapanchayati. This alone in the form of drishtanta and darshtantika. What he explained, he gives vistar, elaboration. This is on page number 225. Bijam chaikang yatha bhinnam प्राणस्वप्नादिभिस्तथा स्वप्नजाग्रच्छरीरेषु तद्वच्चात्मा जलेन्दुवत्। बीजं चैकं यथा भिन्नं प्राणस्वप्नादिभिस्तथा स्वप्नजाग्रच्छरीरेषु तद्वच्चात्मा जलेन्दुवत्। बीजम च एकम, एकम बीजम यथा भिन्नम प्राणादिभिः उपाधिभिः स्वप्नादिभिः अवस्थादिभिः स्वप्न जागृत शरीरेषु। So तथा is दार्ष्टान्त, बीजम यथा is दृष्टान्त। स्वप्न जागृत शरीरेषु तद्वच्च आत्मा जलेन्दुवत्, in the same way atma also like jalendu. So the meaning is yatha ekam bijam भिन्नम, एकम माया बीजम भिन्नम विविध रूपेण, तथा आत्मा प्राण स्वप्नादिभिः स्वप्न जागृत शरीरेषु। So त्रिषु अवस्थासु. See, prana actually here means सुषुप्ति अवस्था और कारण अवस्था। And स्वप्नादि, so स्वप्न and सूक्ष्म शरीर, स्थूल शरीर। in this way. Either you take 3 avasthas or 3 sharira. And swapna jagrat sharireshu, again, swapna sharira means sukshma sharira. Jagrat sharira means sthula sharira. So one maya bijam prana swapnadibihi swapna jagrat sharireshu bhinnam tadvat cha atma tadvat cha atma stoshunashu. So tadvat chatma is given. Tadvat chatma. Jalenduvat, in jala chandravat. एक एव हि भूतात्मा भूते भूते व्यवस्थितः एकदा भूतः चैव
दृश्यते.
That is this. Jalenduvat. See the tika. So this is like elaboration on what was said already in 27th. Prana iti avyakrita avasthoktihi. Prana here is not prana. Popular meaning is pancha prana. Second is hiranyagarbha. But here prana refers to avyakrita avastha or karan avastha. In Chandogya 6th chapter, pranam eva upashrayate yatha shakuni means this pakshi. Pranam eva upashrayate disham disham patitva anyatra ayatanam alabdva pranam eva upashrayate. Eva there prana shabd atma. So it is the Chaitanya presiding over avyakrita avastha. And in Mandukya Karika also, in the first chapter, prana shabda is used for Ishvara. In either Karika or in
Janayati. Sarvam janayati pranaschet.
Don't pruthak something. Prana shabda sometimes is used differently in the context to mention. Swapnadibihi iti jagrad avastha murcha avastha cha grihyate. Swapnadibihi, by swapna etc. Jagrad avastha, murcha avastha, adi shabdena, all these are also taken. यथा एकम अविद्या मायाख्यम बीजम अव्याकृतादि अवस्था भेदेन भिन्नम तथा स्वप्न जागृत शरीरेषु समष्टि व्यष्टि यथा एकम अविद्या मायाख्यम बीजम अव्याकृतादि अवस्था भेदेन. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
अव्याकृतादि अवस्था भेदेन भिन्नम तथा स्वप्न जागृत शरीरेषु समष्टि व्यष्टि स्थूल सूक्ष्म शरीरेषु जलेन्दुवत् चिदाभासोऽपि भिन्नो भवति तदा तदधिष्ठानभूतश्चिदात्मा च उपाधिगत आभास अविवेकात् तद्वद् भिन्नो विभाव्यते। यथा एकम अविद्या मायाख्यम बीजम, just as one avidya itself is maya. In Prakarana Granthas, they make this distinction. Avidya is different, Maya is different. Avidya is upadhi of Jiva, Maya is upadhi of Ishvara. But later we are told that it is only one. There are not two different things. It is one and the same thing. So avidya mayakhyam bijam avyakrtadi avastha bhedena bhinnam. Their avastha bheda is there. Avyakrta avastha means karan avastha or sushupti avastha, and swapna jagrat sharireshu तथा स्वप्न जागृत शरीरेषु भिन्नम समष्टि व्यष्टि स्थूल सूक्ष्म शरीरेषु. In all of these upadhis that we saw in the previous shloka, jalenduvat, like Chandrama in many different reflections in the pools of water. Chidabhasopi bhinno bhavati. Chidabhasa is also bhinna, distinct, bhinno bhavati. Tada tadadhisthana bhutash chidatma. So adhisthana chidatma is different from chidabhasa and is also different from all the upadhis, sthula, sukshma, karana, samashti and vyashti sharira. So chidatma, chidabhasa and upadhi. Chidatma upadhigata abhasa avivekat. Upadhigata abhasa is this. Along with that comes chidatma also. Chidatma cha upadhigata abhasa avivekat. So, due to the aviveka of that sakshi, atma means sakshi, bhinno vibhavyate. Bhinno vibhavyate means I think there are so many sakshis. I am sakshi of my upadhi. Everybody is sakshi of their upadhi. If you use the word sakshi. Atma also, if somebody thinks one Atma is here, that Atma is different, Devadatta, Chaitra, Maitra, everybody is different Atma. Why? Avivekat. Bhinno vibhavyate. How? So Taijasa, Hiranyagarbha, Vishwa, Vaishwanaradi, Bhedena, Prakashate, ityartha. As Taijasa is different, Vyashti, Sukshma Sharira, विशिष्ट चैतन्य और उपहित चैतन्य. हिरण्यगर्भ is different. विश्व स्थूल शरीर, विशिष्ट चैतन्य. वैश्वानर समष्टि स्थूल शरीर और स्थूल प्रपंच विशिष्ट चैतन्य, इन दिस वे भेदेन प्रकाशते इत्यर्थः। So in so many ways, this is understood that Atma is different. Everybody thinks there are many Atmas, not common people. Darshanikas, other than Advaita Vedanta, all darshanas have taken many Atmas. So to break this Bhranti is difficult. You need lot of Shastra Pramana study to eliminate the sanskara of many Atmas. Atma is one, but I don't recognize that. Prakashate ityartha. Further, so we saw in the last session, there was one example. The example was about a magician climbing the rope. That was called the Indian rope trick, The magician would climb the rope. Did I elaborate on that example a little bit in the last session?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay.
Yes,
So this magician,
Swamiji.
throws the rope, etc. So here, similar example is given. About the magician. Nanu यदि आत्मनो माया कल्पितेषु उपाधिषु बहुत्वं तर्हि तत्र व्यापारवत्वम् अपि स्यात् इति कथं कूटस्थता इति आशंक्य दृष्टान्तेन निराकरोति। यदि आत्मनो माया कल्पितेषु उपाधिषु बहुत्वम, if atmanah bahutvam, atmas are many, this is only because of maya kalpita upadhi, maya kalpiteshu upadhishu bahutvam tarhi tatra vyaparavatvam api syat. So there vyaparavatvam, that atma could also have some vyapara, means it is not avikari, it is vikari, because in the 27th shloka it was said it is avikari, avikara atma. Katham kutastha atmanah, how atma is kutastha iti ashankya drishtantena nirakaroti. Drishtantena nirakaroti kim?
Atmanah vikali.
Vyaparavatvam. Vyaparavatvam shabda is there, right? Tatra vyaparavatvam api syat. So drishtantena nirakaroti. Maya hastena maruhya माया व्यको यथा व्रजेत आगच्छंस्तद्वदेवात्मा प्राणस्वप्नादिगोचरः माया हस्तिनमारुह्य माया व्यको यथा व्रजेत आगच्छंस्तद्वदेवात्मा प्राणस्वप्नादिगोचरः यथा एको मायावी माया हस्तिनमारुह्य व्रजेत आगच्छन्स तद्वदेव आत्मा प्राणस्वप्नादि गोचरः. So atma mayavi eko, that you have to supply. Atma mayavi eko will be used both times, in drishtanta as well as in darshtanta. Prana swapnadi gocharaha atma agachans vrajet. Agachan vrajet. Just as one magician, here mayavi means magician. So instead of a rope, he creates one elephant. Because Bhagavan Bhashyakar is from Kerala, so in Kerala, everywhere elephants. So Maya Hasti, magician creates one elephant. Then he rides on elephant. Instead of a rope, now he is on the elephant. So the elephant is Avasthatraya. And the one who is sitting on top is Pramatatraya. Avasthatraya on which he rides to become Pramatatraya. So Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti is elephant. Vishwatejasa Prajna and Vaishwanara Hiranyagarbha Ishvara is the Aruhya Mayavi. And the one who is still on the ground, not on elephant, not doing anything, is Chaturtha, Turiya. He is Ekaha, Ekameva Advitiya. So that one who is on elephant, he goes, then he comes back. Like that, these Pramatatraya, they go and come back. Avasthatraya, they go and come back like this. And here also prana means karana sharira or sushupti avastha. So sushupti, swapna, jagrat, murcha, all avasthas. Tika. So the pankti is very simple. How often I feel that my jagrat avastha is not me. The Jagrat Avastha Abhimani is not me. This Avastha has come, it will go. I have nothing to do with it. This Chintanam has to happen. That I am not in Avastha. Avasthas are in me. They have come, they will go. This keeps happening. There is no end. I cannot wait for this occasion that a day will come when all avasthas will stop. Then I will know I am Kutastha. And if we say, forget avasthas, other problems that are there in life, there is in addition to avastha. Whether problems are there or not, avasthas are there for everybody. And fortunately or unfortunately, problems are also there for everybody. Everybody will have something or the other going on which they don't agree with in their life. And they'll have to deal with it. None of this is me. Neither the avasthas nor the one who is in this avastha. This Maya Hastinam Aruhya, the one who is climbing on this, as long as he is having a joyful ride of looking, the elephant is happily going, you see some nice beautiful place, some stream of water is there, flowers are there, elephant picks up one flower, gives it to you, you are very happy. When you are on that elephant and elephant is gone crazy, you don't need the example of any roller coaster. This is the worst example. If you are on top of an elephant who is intoxicated, he is going to run here and there, and you will have a hard time balancing yourself on top. So that situation is best is to stay down there and watch that this is illusion. यथैव एको मायावी स्वमाया निर्मितम हस्तिनम आरुह्य. That Mayavi magician has created Maya on his own, Swamaya Nirmitam, Hastinam Aruhya, Ishtam Desham Vrajet. Vrajet Ishtam Desham. He goes to whatever desired place. Agacchanscha Bhavati. And he comes back also. Agachans. How does the sakara come? Agachan and Tadvadeva.
Naschavya Prashan.
Naschavya Prashan is the sutra. Gamana Gamane Acharan Iva. Acting as if there is Gamana Agamana. Going and coming. So arrival, departure is there. Acharan Iva. Bhasamano Api. Achala Iva. So Gamana Gamane Acharan Iva, as if he is doing Gamana Gamana, but really speaking, Achalaha. Bhasamano Api Achala Iva. Tadvat Tathaiva Atma Prana Swapnadi Gatatvena Vibhavyamano Api Achalaha. Atma also Prana Swapnadi Gatatvena. This Atma also goes through different avasthas, Karana avastha, Swapna avastha, etc. But really speaking, Achala. Or associated with Hiranyagarbha Upadhi or Pipilika Upadhi or Gau Upadhi or Vyagra Upadhi or any other Pishachadi Upadhi. So Sattvic Upadhi, Rajasic Upadhi, Tamasic Upadhi. Ati Sukshma Sthula Sharira means Pipilika Sharira, very small, or Brahma, highly evolved. Whatever Upadhi, Atma is Achalaha. Kutastha Eva Ityartha. So there is no any affliction in that Atma. Atma is same, however it was. So now it is said, Vastutaha, Paramarthikatvena, all these upadhis, avasthas, they are not there. Vishwa, Taijasa, Hiranyagarbha, Prajna, Ishvara, nothing is there. Vaishwanaraha, Vaishwanara, other name is Virat also. Vaishwanara Vyutpatti is विश्वेषां नराणाम् अनेकधा नयनात् वैश्वानरः, और विश्वस्यासौ नरश्चेति विश्वानरः, विश्वानर एव वैश्वानरः। In many ways, Vishwesham means Sarvesham. Sarvesham Naranam Anekadha Nayanat. In different ways, they all are led. So he is called Vaishwanara. Vaishwanara Sarvapindabhimani. And Virat means Vividham Rajate. Virajmanatvat Virat. How? Swayameva. So Vaishwanara, Hiranyagarbha, Ishvara, Pragnya, all these upadhis are not vastavik upadhis. टीका प्राणादि उपाधि संबंधम आत्मनो अंगीकृत्य उक्तम। आत्मनः प्राणादि उपाधि संबंधम अंगीकृत्य, एक्सेप्टिंग दैट प्राणादि उपाधि एंड आत्मा हैज सम संबंध, आत्मा बिकम्स ऑल दिस विश्व वैश्वानर तेजस हिरण्यगर्भ एक्सेट्रा। इदानीं सोपि नास्ति वस्तुतः इत्याह। इदानीं सोपि संबंधः, सो सः संबंधोपि नास्ति वस्तुतः परमार्थतः। From Paramartha standpoint, that sambandha also is not there. न हस्ति न तदारूढ़ो मायाव्यन्यो यथा स्थितः न प्राणादि न तद्द्रष्टा तथा ज्ञोन्यः सदा दृशिः। न हस्ति न तदारूढ़ो मायाव्यन्यो यथा स्थितः न प्राणादि न तद्द्रष्टा तथा ज्ञोन्यः सदा दृशिः। न हस्ति न तदारूढ़ो, मायावी अन्यः यथा स्थितः तथा न प्राणादि न तद्द्रष्टा ज्ञः अन्यः सदा दृशिः। सो पूर्वार्ध इज दृष्टांत, उत्तरार्ध इज दार्ष्टान्त। न हस्ति न तदारूढ़ो, there is no elephant, means there are no avasthas. न तदारूढ़ः, in Drishtanta there is no elephant because it's only magic show, illusion. Tadarudaha, this Mayavi who is sitting on top is also really not there. Mayavi anyo yathasthitaha. Na pranadi na tadrashta. There are no Karana Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Sthul Sharira, nothing. Tadrashta means Vishwa Tejasa Pragnya, Vaishwanara, Hiranyagarbha, Ishvara, none of them. Tadha means Tadvat. Then Jnaha Anyaha, that Jnaha, Chaitanya is Anya, Sada Drishihi, Drishishwarupam, Gaganopamam Param, is Sarvada Drik Swarupa, Drishi. Drishi itself is Pratipadika here. So Sada Drishihi. Now this we have to just let it digest. That there are no avasthas, there is no avastha abhimani. There is only Chaitanya. This is na anta pragyam, na bahish pragyam, no bhayata pragyam, na pragyana ghanam, na pragyam, na pragyam, etc. Then what is Atma? That is further adrishtam avyavaharya. But that Atma is none of this. Means in Atma all this prapancha is upashama. Then what is all this I see? Alat chakra. One alat is there, a glowing fire tip, revolving fast, moving fast. Bhinna bhinna akaras are seen. What about all these anubhavas, sukha, dukha, etc.? Studying, not studying, punya, papa, dharma, dharma, all this is the play of Chaitanya. No matter how much you try to find out in any other way, it will end up here only. Kalpayatyatmanatmanam atma deva swamayaya sa eva buddhyate bhedan iti vedanta nishchaya. Atma deva alone, swamayaya, kalpayati atmanam. And saha eva bhedan buddhyate. He alone sees all the differences, experiences. This is Vedanta Nishchaya. Nigada Vyakhyatam Padyam. This shloka is already commented. Well commented, Nigada. Vastutah प्राणादि उपाधि संबंध अभावेपि माया संबंधो अपरिहार्य इत्यतः. वस्तुतः प्राणादि उपाधि संबंध अभावेपि, even if वस्तुतः means परमार्थतः, प्राणादि उपाधि संबंध even if it is not there, अवस्था संबंध, माया संबंध is अपरिहार्य. Means Purvapakshi says in this way. Iti ataha. Siddhanti explains. For whom Maya Sambandha is there and for whom Maya Sambandha is not there. Abadha chakshusho nasti Maya Maya vinopiva Baddhakshasyaiva sa Maya Maya vyeva tato bhavet. Abadha chakshusho nasti Maya Maya vinopiva Baddhakshasyaiva sa Maya Maya vyeva tato bhavet. Abadhu chakshushaha Maya nasti. Maya vinaha api Maya nasti. Two sentences in Purvardha. Baddhakshasyaiva sa Maya. Mayavi eva. So there you have to put avagraha. सा Maya, then Avagraha. Amayavi eva tato bhavet, in this way. So abadha chakshusha Maya nasti. The one who is not baddha chakshu. Baddham chakshur yasya saha baddha chakshu. Na baddham chakshur yasya sa abadha chakshu. In Tika, first line itself it is given. Baddha chakshu means these magicians, they will do chakshur bandha. Means those who are in that audience group, he will force their eyes to see whatever he wants them to see. This is a prayoga, chakshur bandha prayoga they will do. But whoever is outside that theater or in the hall, they will not see any such thing. Because they are not baddha chakshu. They are abadha chakshu. Abadha chakshushaha maya nasti. For them, there is no maya. They won't see any magic. And Mayavi also will not see. Mayavinopi maya nasti. So here what is said, a Jivan Mukta will not have maya. And Ishvara also will not have maya. Means they will not see the maya impact and they will not get bound by it. Then who will have maya? Baddhakshasya sa maya. Sa maya baddhakshasya. So the one who is deluded. Amayavi eva tato bhavet. Tataha amayavi eva. So this amayavi, the one who is actually not having any association with maya, is the real Atma, or Amayavi. He is not Mayavi also. Only he is Adhishthanam of that Maya. Because of its existence, Maya is existing. So Avadha Chakshu. So the one whose eyes are not captured by this magician is Abadha Chakshu. Tasya Laukikasya Yatha Nasti. So for that Laukika person, Laukika Maya is not there. Means the magician's Maya. Maya Vinopi Tatha. Chakshur Bandha Bhavat Maya Nasti. For Mayavi also, Chakshur Bandha is not there. So Maya is not there. Va Shabda Ivartha. Va Shabda is for Iva. Api Shabdat Avastutva Nishayadapi Mayavi na Vyamuhyati Ityartha. Mayavi no Api. Api Shabda is for Avastutva Nishayat. There is a Nishaya of Avastutva. Mayavi knows there is no real thing. So he is also not deluded. Na Vyamuhyati. Vyatirekam uktva anvayam aha. So Abadha Chakshu or Mayavi doesn't have Maya. This is Vyatireka. Then Baddhaksha means Baddha Chakshu has Maya. Sa Maya Baddhakshasyaiva. What is this Maya? Bhaya Hetu Hastyadi Rupa Bhasate Ityartha. The Bhaya Hetu Hastyadi Rupa Maya Bhasate. He sees this Maya which is Bhaya Hetu, Hasti, etc. Only he will see. And he sees this elephant coming towards him, he wants to run away. really nothing is happening. ततस्तस्माद् अमायावी एव मायोपलक्षित एव भवेत् पुमान् माया आधारः इत्यर्थः. ततः therefore अमायावी एव, this maya उपलक्षित, maya is only उपलक्षण or उपाधि, not a विशेषण. You say maya asya asti iti mayin, but here really it doesn't have maya. Maya is only upalakshanam or upadhi. Is maya adharah ityarthah. Ayam eva shloko darshantike api yojyah. In darshanta also same shloko you have to apply. How? Abadha chakshusho maya anavrita chit swabhavasya maya vinopi. So abadha chakshusha means maya anavrita chit swabhavasya mayaya mayayaha अनावृत मायायाः how will you put मायायाः अनावृतत्वं तदेव चित् स्वभावो यस्य. Maya is eliminated. Avrita means covered, anavritatva means uncovered. When maya is uncovered, chit swabhava is the anavaranam of maya. Anavaranam means removing the cover on maya equals chit swabhava. The one who has that is avadha chakshuhu. Mayavino api. In the same way, Mayavi also, Ishwar also, Mayavitvena vibhavyamanasya api maya nasti. Is seen as Mayavi. Mayavitvena vibhavyamanasya. Kartarishanaj. Vibhavyamanasya. Vibhavyamanaha. Maya nasti. He doesn't have Maya. Means Vyamoha hetuhu. Vyamoha hetur hi maya. Vyamohasya hetuhu. The cause for getting deluded. That maya he doesn't have. Maya sa. What does that maya do? Aham asmi param brahma iti prakashamana atmani virodhadeva na bhavati ityarthaha. Aham asmi param brahma iti prakashamana atmani. That atma which is prakashita in this way, because of the virodhat, because of the virodha, if maya is there, aham asmi param brahma, this prakasha will not be there. If this prakasha is there, maya is not there. So if I know aham asmi param brahma, there is no maya for me. Ityarthaha. Va shabdo loka prasiddha maya mayavi drishtantarthaha. In the shloka, maya vinopi va, that va is given for loka prasiddha mayavi drishtantarthaha. So it is very well known. In magician's show, there what is otherwise known very well, here also you should understand. Tathacha jnanavasthayam kadachit pranadi akaram mayam pashyan api अज्ञान अवस्थायाम इव न व्यामुह्यति. ज्ञान अवस्थायाम कदाचित प्राणादि आकारां मायां पश्यन् अपि अज्ञान अवस्थायाम इव न व्यामुह्यति, किंतु सुषुप्तवन् निर्विकार एव भवति इत्यर्थः. In jnana avastha, even if he sees some upadhi, means he sees, yes, I am in Jagrata Avastha, or he does Vyavahara like that, I am in Sushupti, I slept, ityadi. Pranadi akaram mayam pashyan api, even if he sees, Ajnan avasthayam even na vyamuhyati. He doesn't get deluded like earlier. Yatha purvam. In Brahadaranyaka 1.4.10 Bhashya, this is elaborated that in Jnana Avastha, how he will not have Purvavat, Samsaritva, Ragadvesha, etc. He will not get deluded. Kintu Shushuptavan Nirvikara eva bhavati. In Jagrata Avastha also, he will act as if it is Sushupti only. Means he will not give reality to whatever he experiences. Even if there is experience, Satyatva Buddhi will not come. Nirvikar eva bhavati ityarthaha. Samanam anyat. Everything else is samanam between Drishtanta and Darshtanta. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.